What do you mean by logic gates? Before that, I will summarize just to see here. Digital electronics, analog signal, digital signals. Analog signal means it varies bit by bit. Small value, it is go on changing. Analog digital signal means either it is 0 or it is 1. Either it is 0 or it is 1. If a student is taking an examination, he can score 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever the marks. Here is not like that. A student, if he is writing an exam, either he is getting 0 marks or he is getting 100 out of 100 marks. That is 0 and 1. So meaning under digital signals is said to be either it is a Boolean algebra, it is holds good 0 and 1. 0 represents low or no, or it is no voltage, or the working of the circuit is not at all. Okay, it is a false statement like that. 1 represent the value is high, it is working, there is working, circuit is working, there is a voltage. Instead of no, it is said to be the yes here. Instead of false, it is said to be the true. This is digital concept. I told you already, every signal nowadays is said to be analog to digital. We have shifted. Higher classes, we are going to deal about, we are going to study about how to convert analog signals to digital signals. There are so many circuits are there. Using that, we are go on converting analog signals to digital signals. So anyhow, come to the concept, logic gates. First of all, what do you mean by this logic gates? Logic gates, they are the building blocks of the digital circuits. They are the basic circuits of the digital circuits. Any digital circuit, if you are choosing, the digital circuit, ultimately it is made up of some small parts. The smallest parts are said to be the logic gates. Logic gates, if you are connecting, then a huge circuit, whatever we are getting, is called by the name the digital circuit. That is the meaning. So meaning, a logic gate means what? What are logic gates? Logic gates, these are the building blocks of any digital circuits. If you are choosing any digital circuits, the digital circuits building blocks are called by the name the logic gates. Logic gates are the building blocks of the digital circuits. As you are cut down the digital circuits, ultimately last one we are going to get the logic gates. I can say that they are the heart of the digital circuits. Which are the hearts? Logic gates are acting as the hearts of the digital circuits. Human beings are having only one heart, whereas the digital circuits are having many number of hearts. They are all called by the name the logic gates. Okay, that is the meaning. Your computer, your phone, they are all said to be the digital circuits. They are all made up of logic gates. They are all made up of logic gates. As you are sending a message, SMS or something, or maybe if you are sending a photo through your WhatsApp or something else, they are all digital circuits. Okay, converting the analog in the form of digital, then we are sending. Then another phone, digital circuit, it is receiving, then it is converting in the form of analog again. So that is the meaning here. So a logic gate, they are the building blocks of the digital circuits. They are the building blocks of the digital circuits. They are the heart of the digital circuits. They are the heart of the computers. That is the meaning. One idea. Under logic gates, we are going to study so many things. I will tell you about that, whatever it is there. Under that, I will going to consider two more concepts. One is Boolean expression. Boolean expression. If they are asking for one mark question, you must be in a position to answer. What do you mean by this Boolean expression? Boolean expression means what? We are feeding something. We are giving input something. We are getting some output. There is a digital circuit. We are giving something and we are getting outside something. Input to output, what is the relation is there? That is called by the name Boolean expression. That is a Boolean relationship. That is the meaning. Something we are, just like I am teaching something to you, that is input. Your output is said to be, if you are writing a test or examination, that is the output. So input to output, there is a relation here. Now that relation is said to be represented by an expression. That expression is called by the name Boolean expression. So again, I can repeat. We are giving some input. There is a logic circuit here. This is a logic gate or a circuit. We are giving some input. We are giving some input. We are taking some output. This input to output, there is an expression wise we are writing. That expression is called by the name the Boolean expression. The relation between the input to the output is called by the name logical relationship, is said to be taken as Boolean relation or Boolean expression. We are writing an equation that is said to be the Boolean expression connecting between the input signal to the output signal. Logic circuit is there. We are giving some input and we are taking outside. That is an output. Input to output, there is a relation is there. That relation is represented by an expression called by the name the Boolean expression, and that relation is called by the name Boolean relation. Okay. That input to output, whatever the Boolean expression is there, that one we are going to express by using truth table. Using a truth table, we are writing the Boolean expression, whether it is input to output, is there any relationship is present or not, that is represented by a table. Okay, we are writing a tabular column and we are writing the values here now, 0 and 1, 0 and 1, like that we are writing using the Boolean expression. That table is called by the name truth table. You are going to learn these concepts now onwards. What is this? You are going to learn it. Okay, yes. Now, under logic gates, according to your syllabus, you are going to study the logic gates. One, you are going to study about the OR gate. Next one, you are going to study about the AND gate. Next, you are going to study about the NOT gate. You are going to study about the NAND gate. And you are going to study about NOR gate. XOR gate, it is not in your syllabus. Only these 5 gates are there. OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate. All these things we are supposed to learn, very, very easy concepts. Because your syllabus, it says only the basic. Therefore, let us define, are confining only for the basic concepts. Under OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate. Okay. These 2 gates are called by the name universal gates. Universal gates. Universal solvent, chemistry, universal solvent. It can dissolve so many number of solids. Okay, that is a universal solvent. NAND gate and NOR gate are also called by the name the universal gates. Using the NAND gates, using the number of NAND gates, we can obtain the OR gate, we can obtain the AND gate, and we can obtain the NOT gate. Higher classes, using the NAND gate, we are doing the OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. Using the NOR gate, we can produce OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. That is practicals. Practically, we are going to do that. Practicals also there. Okay. So therefore, NAND gate and NOR gate, they are called by the name universal gates. Using the combinations of 4 NAND gates, we can get an OR gate. Using the combination of 3 or 4 number of NAND gates, we can get AND gate. Using the combination of NAND gates, we can get the NOT gate. So meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. If we are combining the NAND gates, we can get OR gate or AND gate or NOT gate. Therefore, these gates are called by the name. NAND gate is called by the name universal gate. NOR gate is also called by the name universal gate. Now, first, OR gate. OR gate. What is this OR gate? First concept. What the question we are going to frame here under OR gate? OR gate, what is the question we are framing? First question, write the symbol for OR gate we are asking. Write the circuit symbol for OR gate we are asking. So this is a circuit symbol. Carefully, we have to write the circuit symbol for OR gate. This is the OR gate symbol. We have to write like this. Then little bit bend, it must be there. And here you are supposed to take the output. This is input, this is input. I have written two inputs, not necessarily two inputs. Some occasion more than two inputs are there. But output is only one. This is output. This is input. Two inputs, one output. Higher classes, we are putting three inputs also. Three inputs. More than two inputs also we can put. But output is said to be only one. This is output, this is input. Here I have written two input OR gate. OR gate which is containing the two inputs, and the OR gate which is containing one output. Two inputs, one output, OR gate I have written. This is OR gate. This OR gate, I can write inputs. I will going to write that one as A, B. A is an input, B is an input. Output is Y. Y is output. Output is represented by A plus B, but it is not pronouncing as plus. We are writing as plus, but we are going to read it as output Y is equal to input A or input B. So meaning of this plus is R. A or B, A or B, A or B, like that we are pronouncing, but we are writing as plus. What? Yes, listen. Tanushri, I'm not understanding. Okay. A is an input, B is an input, output is Y. Y is represented by A plus B, but it is written as A or B. Pronouncing as A or B. That is output. This is logical expression. This is logical expression, Boolean expression. These are the inputs. This is the output. These two are inputs. This is the output. Input to output, there is a relation is there. That relation is represented by this particular equation, expression. This expression is called by the name Boolean expression. This expression is called by the name Boolean expression. Write the Boolean expression for AND gate. Y is equal to A or B, means A plus B, where plus representing R. This is Boolean expression. Carries 2 marks. Symbol carries 2 marks. Carries 1 mark. You have to write the complete. Okay, this is a symbol A, B, Y is equal to A plus B. A plus B means A or B. This is circuit symbol with input and output. Carries 2 marks. This itself is carries 2 marks. Now we are supposed to write the truth table. Truth tables and other things are important for your board examination as well as NEET examinations, PGCET examinations, CET exam. Okay, in all the cases, it is said to be important. Truth table. What is this truth table? What it explains the concept. There is an input. There is output. There is input and there is output. Input, there are two. One is A, the other one is B. I hope you understood. Just to see that 2 inputs are there. If 3 inputs are there, I had to write C also. A, B, C, C. A, B, C. 3 inputs I had to write. Output is represented by Y is equal to A plus B. Plus for R. This is output. Now I supposed to write the different inputs and outputs. Different inputs and outputs I supposed to write. See that this is OR gate symbol. Okay. Now input. A is 0, B is 0. A is 0, B is 0. Input A is 0, B is 1. Inputs A is 1, B is 0. All the possibilities we had to write. Inputs A is 1, B is 1. 1 and 0 only. You cannot go for 2, 3, 4 like that. No. Either it is 0 or it is 1. Both are 0. Both are 1. Any one of that one is 1. The other one is 0. These are the possible inputs. Now we are supposed to write the outputs. Outputs 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, you should not write 2. 2, it is no. Working and working, working only. Yes and yes, yes only. Voltage is there, voltage is there, voltage is present. That's all the concept. True and true, true only. 2 times true you should not write. This is 1. So meaning of this one is, okay, this is off, circuit is off, working, not working. This is circuit is on, this circuit is on, this circuit is also on. So meaning the digital circuit, it will work, it is on condition if any one input is 1. If any one input is 1, any one at least, minimum 1 is set to be the input. A or B, any one input is 1, then it will be working. If both inputs are 1, it will work. But in the case of AND circuit here, R circuit, if both the inputs are 0, it will not work. If both the inputs are 0, one more question. If both the inputs are 0, what is the output in the case of OR gate? 0. It is not working. It is off condition. If any one input is 1, then it will be working. That is the meaning of this. This is about OR gate. OR gate we are asking maybe for about 2 marks. Okay. The whole chapter we are asking for about 2 marks. Okay. This is about the OR gate. Next one, AND gate. I will take up the AND gate. AND gate. Okay. First idea, write the circuit symbol for AND gate. Circuit symbol. Write the circuit symbol for AND gate. AND gate circuit symbol is this. Okay. Like this. There are 2 inputs. And there is an output. This is an output. This is input A, input B, output Y is equal to, output is represented by here, you see that, dot into multiplication. Logical multiplication. This is logical multiplication. OR gate logical addition. OR gate logical addition. This is logical addition. This is logical multiplication. Okay. This is circuit symbol. Where Y is equal to A dot B is called by the name Boolean expression. This is a relation between input to the output. Input to output, there is a relationship is present. That relationship, I have written that. That is Y is the output, A is the input, B is the input. Now the next one is truth table. We are asking, write the truth table for AND gate. AND gate truth table. 2 marks question. Write the truth table for AND gate. Okay. Now inputs are there and there is output. Input, there are 2 inputs, A, B, and there is an output, Y is equal to A dot B. 1, 2, 3, Four options. Four options. Okay, which are the inputs as usual that we are supposed to take? If two inputs are there, possibilities we are going to get four. Okay, four options you are going to get. A is 0, B is 0. A is 1, B is 0. Next, A is 0, B is 1. Next, both are equal to 1. Okay, how to write this output? Output 0 multiplied by 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. So the meaning is very simple. If you are saying 100 number of truth statements, out of that, one is said to be the false statement, or maybe it is a lying. You are telling a lie, one lie. Then altogether, the black mark will be there. We are not bothering about 99 statements are correct. Whatever you have made, 99 statements is correct. But one statement, it is you are telling a lie. Therefore, you are a liar, we are going to say. That is a meaning. That is a meaning. But completely 100% is a truth one is present here. Now, we are supposed to take 1 into 1, it must be equal to 1. So the meaning here, the circuit, it will not work. It is off condition. Here also it is off. Circuit is not working. Here circuit is not working. Here the circuit is working. On. There is a voltage, no voltages are present. This is a truth table. We are asking for about 2 marks. Write the circuit symbol. Write the circuit symbol for AND gate. Write the truth table for AND gate. Then what is that AND gate concept here? If both the inputs are 1, then only output is 1. If any one input is 0, if any one input is 0, then output is 0. If any one input is 0, output is 0. Both the inputs are 1, then the output is 1. Whereas in the case of OR gate is not like that. See that OR gate. OR gate, if both the inputs are 1, 1. If any one input is 1, then also it is 1. If both the inputs are 0, then it is 0. I hope you have understood about the difference between OR gate and AND gate. Okay, this is about the AND gate. Okay, now the third gate is called by the name. Another 4 minutes time is there. Okay, I will finish up this. Tomorrow I will continue about the NAND gate and NOR gate. Okay, the third gate is called by the name NOT gate. Third gate is called by the name the NOT gate. NOT gate is also called by the name inverter gate. It's called by the name the inverter gate. This is an inverter gate. What is this inverter gate? How we are going to explain the concept of NOT gate or inverter gate? Okay, some occasions. Okay, for example, if I'm choosing some statements like this now, your parents are telling about that, you go and study. You are going to say, I will not study. They are going to say, you stop your study enough. If you studied more, you stop. Most of the occasion, it will not happen. Okay, you stop. You will say that, no, I want to study. That is not gate. That is not gate. Inverter gate. Okay, don't go outside. I will go outside. That is inverter gate. If I'm giving an input, it will show output is 0. If I don't teach anything, your marks is 100 marks. If I'm teaching something, your marks is 0. That is inverter gate. Okay, if you understood everything, your marks is less. If you have not understood anything, your marks is 100 marks. That is inverter gate, but not all the cases. Just I have given an example. So NOT gate means if you are giving an input, output is 0. If you don't give an input, output is maximum. First idea under NOT gate, symbol. 2 marks question. Write the circuit symbol for NOT gate. 2 marks. Write the circuit symbol for NOT gate. Very easy concepts. Okay, very easiest chapter this is. This is the symbol. And we are supposed to put one bubble here. Not a dot, bubble. Now I will going to draw an output. There is an input. This is an input and this is an output. This is output and this is input. Input, I will take it as A. Output, I will going to consider as Y is equal to here A bar. This is Boolean expression. This is Boolean expression. This is input. This is output. Input, output. Only one input, only one output. This is the only one circuit which is containing only one input. We cannot give two inputs here. We are supposed to give only one input and there is only one output. One input, one output is present only for the NOT gate. What is the truth table here? How to write the truth table? Truth table, there is input and there is output. Okay. Input, there is only one. Output, Y is equal to A bar. Only two options here. This is containing only two options. A0, A1. Either we are giving 0 or it is 1. If you are giving 0, it will work as 1. If you are giving 1, it works as 0. If you don't give any input, output is 1. If you are